1969, the Chevrolet Camaro, the car that went toe-to-toe with the Mustang and made Ford lose sleep at night. And this particular '69 Camaro, built by All Speed Customs out of Muskegon Heights, Michigan, is nothing short of a masterpiece. A complete rotisserie restoration and Restomod that transforms a classic pony car into a modern-day weapon. This build started with a body that needed serious work. Rust, damage, decades of wear. All Speed Customs stripped this Camaro down to bare metal. Every panel, every seam, every surface. The body went on a rotisserie and the real work began. Custom fabrication, precision metal shaping, and countless hours of bodywork turned rough steel into something flawless. Panel gaps were dialed in to perfection. The fenders, the hood, the quarters, every piece was fitted, adjusted, and smoothed until the body was laser straight. From bare metal, through multiple rounds of primer and block sanding, this Camaro was prepped for paint like few cars ever are. And the finished result is stunning. A brilliant, deep red that pops under any light. This is the kind of paint job that makes people stop in their tracks. Under the hood lives a GM LS3 crate engine, putting out 525 horsepower. This is a modern, fuel-injected powerhouse sitting where the original motor used to be, and it fits like it was always meant to be there. The engine bay is clean and purposeful, with the intake, the accessories, and the wiring all laid out with surgical precision. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, this Camaro puts the driver in complete control of all that power. The suspension has been completely replaced with Ridetech coilover technology. Front and rear, this '69 Camaro sits on fully adjustable coilovers that give it a perfect stance and handling that would embarrass cars built 50 years later. The factory suspension is ancient history, replaced with components that actually match the power this car is making. Stopping power comes from Wilwood disc brakes, massive red calipers and ventilated rotors at all 4 corners. You can see those red calipers through the wheels, and they're not just for show. When you're putting over 500 horsepower through a 6-speed manual, you need brakes that can handle repeated hard stops without fading. The wheels are custom 5-spoke forged units, lightweight, strong, and perfectly proportioned for the '69 body. The fitment is aggressive, filling the wheel wells and giving this Camaro a planted, purposeful stance. The interior has been completely redone with custom black leather upholstery throughout. New seats, new door panels, new carpet. Everything is fresh, clean, and built to a high standard. The gauges have been updated, the steering wheel replaced with a modern 3-spoke unit, and the entire cabin feels like a place you want to spend time. The details on this car are what separate a good build from a great one. The exhaust exits through polished tips. The taillights are crisp and clean. The chrome bumpers and trim have been restored to perfection. Every angle of this Camaro, from the aggressive front end to the clean rear quarters, tells you that no shortcut was taken and no detail was overlooked. When you see this '69 Camaro sitting in a studio under lights, the red paint reflecting off every surface, you understand what All Speed Customs is about. This is a complete transformation, from a tired classic to a 525 horsepower Restomod that looks as good standing still as it does screaming through the gears. This is what a proper build looks like.